So, welcome back to the session one more time. Today, we are going to solve a problem of rectangular lamina side view problem. Okay, so the question goes like this: the front view of a rectangular lamina of sides 13 to 20 is a square of sides 20. Draw the projections of and determine the inclination of surface of the lamina with HP and PP. So they have given the front view. In the first position is rectangle and second position it is a square. So only two information given. Remaining we should calculate by the question given. From the hints from the question we should solve the problem. So first things first, take xy line now. So take this, name it as x now here, and y here, and VP here, and HP here. Okay. So the first things first. So we should draw a rectangular lamina of 30 to 20 first. 13 to 20 first in the top view. Okay. So we'll take this. So the first position is 30. Okay. Then 20. Then again 30. Then back and join this 20. Okay. So select this and make it as visible one. Okay. Now here, let me name the namings first, because once you name it, it will be helpful for you in the problems. So let me name it. This is A dash, this is B dash, this is C dash, and this is D dash. Okay. After that, I should draw the side view, top view now. To draw the top view, it will be there on the line itself. So from here to here, I'll get the top view. In the top view, let me draw the namings first. So since I'm seeing from the top, I will be getting D first, D of A, and this is C of B. Okay. So let me get the namings and dimensions together. So the first position is over. Second position. Now the same thing has been turned into a square of 20. So square of 20. Okay. So let me take width as 20, height as 20, and the angle is 0. So where I want somewhere here. Okay, like this. Now that square, let me name it first because the naming is very important. This is A dash, this corner is B dash, this corner is C dash, and this corner is D dash. So you can check the dimensions here. This is 20 and this is 20. Square of 20 now. Now, to draw its top view, you should that will be done later. Before that, because you can't draw because they have not given any inclination, nothing they have given, whether it is parallel, something like that. So what you need to do is first draw the side view then, because nothing is given. Draw the side view now. Okay. The angle is 45. I have drawn now. Now let me draw the projection from right side. So from here, and projection here. From here, one more projection here. Now take this line, extend a little bit further because you need to draw the arc. Now after this, take arc by center point with this as center till this as radius, cut an arc here. Okay, once you cut the arc, make sure it is trimmed off properly. Okay, once it is done, you should draw the lines down. From here, draw the line down. Okay, trim it off till where it stops. Now from here, draw this backwards here. Now from here, draw the projections down to get the top view like this. Now trim this off wherever you don't want. Now select this one. Now you wanted only from here, right? So you wanted only from here. So from here till here I want. Then from here to here it's already there. So no worries. So from here, here, these three make it as visible like this. Okay. So now you can name the namings now. You can name it as this is what? This is A, B, this is C, sorry, this is C, and this is D. Okay, this is D. You can just pull it apart like this. Okay, now this is over. Now before we go into that, now let me draw the side view now because I need to get the side view. So from this point, I'll take zoom option because I need to join this point. This is done now. Now here I should name this. So this becomes because since I'm seeing from the right side, A is visible for me first. A dash in bracket B double dash. Similarly here D is visible first, so D double dash in bracket C double dash. Okay, like this. So like this I will get the angle. Now let me get the angle now because we should get the angle also. So from here to here HP angle is 42 and similarly VP angle from here to this point angle is 48, right? So now let me name the views now. This is right profile plane, right? Or right profile plane, and then I'll be having this in left side view. So this is the solution for this problem. Okay, so this is a side view of problem which is shown like this. So hope you understood, and we'll be solving few more problems like this in the coming classes. Thank you for listening. Right.